Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way of how to record your computer screen for free using the software Ispring FreeCam 8. I'll put a link below this video where you can download this software for free. What I like about this software is that it doesn't give you any restriction to the duration at which you record on the screen. So let's get started. By the way guys, this is my first video I'm uploading on YouTube, so if this helps you, please give me a thumbs up below and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any other updates that will be coming up. Thank you very much, I'm grateful. Click on the folder in which you have downloaded it to, right click on install. The install wizard will appear here and guide you throughout the installation process. Just click next and finish it. By the way guys, I've already installed it, so there's no need for it. I just click on cancel and let's dive into how to customize your software. I'm going to use PowerPoint to guide you through this process, so keep watching. So this is your window. Now let's see some important features here. Open this button to get a glimpse of your environment. You have new recording, you have open project and exit. Click on this button. There are some features in which you can turn on and turn off. If you don't like them, it's up to you. Click on more commands. Go to customize. On the customize window, you see if you want to add any buttons to this, it will show up on this part of the screen. So I want to add this, so you can see, click on exit and click add. You see it here. Click OK. So that's it guys, how to set up your Ispring FreeCam. Click on new recording. Come to this place, you click on this button, you open it. If you want to use your screen as a full screen, click on it to apply, or you choose select area. These are the resolutions for your videos, and the video size are also present here. Click on settings. Let's go and set some features here. These are the general settings for shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts, but you can also change that if you wish. I'm okay with that. If you're using microphone, you can turn it on and turn record sound if you choose. Click on advanced tab. If you are doing tutorial just like the one I'm doing right now, and you want the mouse to show the highlights, just click on it and click OK. So now guys, it's time for us to record our screen. Click on this button, and when you click on the button, it will record in countdown of 3 seconds. So when you're done, just press escape from your computer, and that's it for now. So thank you guys for watching. If this video helps you really well, please give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to my YouTube channel.